about to call it a box. A special little bag came in yesterday. I wanted to open this yesterday so bad, but I was like, no, I want to wait until tomorrow when I can film this. So, as some of you may know, Phan, the lovely Phan, finally released her makeup line. Now, I know a lot of people are probably saying, oh, well, the prices are just so expensive and this and that, but, there's a but. I believe it was last week, the other week, she then decided to do a starter kit. She did include the option for a eyeliner, the sample kit of, ooh, it's all wrapped up, sample kit of the Life palette. I was afraid I was going to say that wrong. And a lipstick as well, one of her lipsticks. And this came in the package, saying her name, and on the other side, oh, that's so cute. It's like a little note. It says, hi there, thank you for having Phan in your life. Don't forget to watch the tutorials. I hope they inspire you to be your personal best. Oh, and of course, we can't wait for you to share your stories. It looks so cute. I love her little signature. It's adorable. But yeah, it's all packaged up. So cute. I don't want to rip it, but of course you're gonna have to rip it a little bit. It's like tissue paper. It is tissue paper. That is too cute. Too cute. So excited. So this is the palette. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I like the way it looks. I really do. Love Live. Like the back images. Ooh, yeah, the warm fuzzies. I did find out that that was the one that I would get, and I'm so excited. Ooh, yeah, those are pretty. Those are very pretty, very pretty. And for the liner, I did get the black one. Mix? No, I'm looking at it wrong. Black Knight. Yeah, that sounded like a cackle. Sorry. Yeah, I'm a little bit sick. But yeah, it's called Black Knight. Basically black. Although I know from the website, a couple people were saying, well, it's not like black. But if I can get it open. Ooh. And like she said in one of the videos, the other end of it, it's like a little smudge brush. And it should be in there. Little sharpener. Too cool. I will have to put this on like right away. And the lipstick that I got was Be Mine, and I was hoping that it didn't look too red. Oh yeah, that looks like a pretty color. That looks like it'll be really pretty, and I'll put that on too. I like the packaging. I think it's cute. What do you all think? I like it. So yeah, I think that's a really great starter kit. I'm so excited. Let me be right back. Oh, wow. That's really pretty. I like that. If I can hold that still. And it is very doesn't really have too much of a taste, which is kind of a good thing. I mean, I know some people love like a certain taste. That's not too bad. That's really pretty. I like it. There you go again. I am very happy and pleased with what I received. I really do like this lip color, and I do love the black. Of course, black is always really good. Yeah, no, it's not rubber. And I really do love these colors. I cannot wait to use these colors. I'm really excited. I like this purple because I even did put a little bit of the purple on my eyes. So yeah, thank you for joining me. Make sure to comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I need to get over this sickness, dang it. Pray that I get over this sickness. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Just basically, I think I got everything. Did I get everything? I think so. I think so. So yeah, thank you everyone. So yeah, thank you for joining me, everyone. Be right back.